The plan was more of this, but it's turned into more of this. The kids would like a door for their new club. So we'll stop, look, and not look out for the interest of ourselves, but also for the interest of our others, since they're our children. The little precious little turkey. So we're gonna build a door, 4 foot tall and 28 inches wide for that shed. That's their clubhouse. That thing's got some moves. Oh, okay, I can do that. So we gotta find a place to put the camera. There's a golf ball pile, and there's some bottles down there. We will put the camera right here, and you can see the process. Alright, there it is. Problem is, it weighs about 70 pounds probably. So now we gotta find some hinges and see if it fits. Can y'all carry it?
Together.
Together forever. Y'all are doing it the so hard way. There you go. Hands under it. Don't fall.
If we fall, it's gonna hurt. Okay.
Why don't you sit it on the ground? There you go. That's better.
This is how I did it.
Okay, come on. Make your way to the House of Clubs. I know the diamonds, all the money for this all. Okay, come on.
Is our aunt wrong, okay?
I think so. Now y'all stand it up. Sit on that bottom piece down there, and let's see if we got our measurements right. Then we gotta go get hinges. All right, stand in front of it. Both of y'all get a piece of it. Put the bottom up on that step. Y'all gotta work on your lifting techniques. Hang on. Ho, ho, ho. Let me get, hang on. There it is. Rough door for a rough club.
Right there.
That's a peephole, and then there's the bottom peephole. That's for the shorter people. So once we get hinges, we'll get it all leveled up. Right now she's a little off. So watch your toenails. And we'll take it down. We could have put a couple more boards in there, but it kind of makes it cool. Alright, now we gotta figure out hinges. That joker ought to hold it.
Yes.
Heavy duty gate hinges. 998. How many we need?
We can hang it up to the ceiling. You should just need 2. That's a strong one.
I know, I just wonder if it's really gonna hold it. We'll try that. Okay, we got our, we only use 3 hinges. And we're hoping that works. So,
Good.
it'll work. This thing is in there so strong.
Yeah.
It is not even moving. So now we're going to put it up there, but we're going to use longer screws for it to go deep.
Yeah, we have 8. Top though.
Okay, it's not done yet. We're not going to be able to close up the whole top because then if we open it, it's going to hit this.
It's okay, that's good.
So that's as high as we're going to be able to get it. And we just need to make sure that's where we want it.
I love
We don't want it square and level perfectly because, well, maybe kind of, sort of. We'll get a little more level than that. This game's almost over. The mosquitoes are horrible. Oh, my, I'm getting 8. Oh, all right, get that one off the bottom right there and throw it in your hut. We're almost done. We got to get these mosquitoes. Yes, I heard that.
That was close.
All right, let's close up. Try it out.
Can we have a lock?
Feel pretty strong. If you hang on it, it will loosen up and eventually fall off over time. All right, go in there and put your things up. Looks like it's going to almost close by itself. It's so heavy. Need a little handle on
Yeah, we
this.
can just grab right here.
Yeah, there you go. Close it up.
Or you could put like a handle right
Here,
here.
close it up.
Yeah, we can grab it right here.
I think it's going to work.
We need a lock.
Clubhouse is done.
We found a lock in there.
All right, good. Thanks for watching.